Best Acer monitor settings for Valorant. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the best Acer monitor settings to get an edge while playing Valorant. First, go to your Windows display settings and set your refresh rate to the highest supported by your monitor, ideally around 144 Hz or 165 Hz. This ensures smooth and fluid gameplay. Next, adjust the brightness to about 50 to 70%. This level reduces eye strain while keeping your visuals sharp enough to spot enemies easily. Set the contrast to around 70 to 80% so detail stands out more, especially in darker areas where opponents might hide. Enable your monitor's game mode or FPS mode, which optimizes response times and enhances colors specifically for gaming. Turn off any motion blur or overdrive settings, as these can cause unwanted ghosting during fast movements. Set the color temperature to cool or around 6500 K to achieve neutral crisp colors. Next is to adjust sharpness to around 50 to 60% to maintain image clarity without creating unnatural edges. Now calibrate gamma to 2.2, balancing shadows and highlights so nothing important gets lost. Lastly, enable any low input lag or fast response modes your Acer monitor offers to reduce delay between your actions and what you see on screen. And that's how you get the best Acer monitor settings for Valorant.